The guide was very friendly and knowledgeable. The meetup point was also convenient, about a 5 minutes walk from the train station. I enjoyed the cheese factory visit very much. The visit to the windmill village was a bit rushed though. I wish it was about 30 minutes longer. Overall a good experience. Smile. The guide was witty and knowledgeable. Best to arrive early as they depart on time. On the bus, best to sit on the left and going back sit on the right for photos. Go into the windmill if you get the chance. The overall tour was great. It was a gloomy weather and a lot of tourists yesterday, Easter Sunday. Our tour guide Floor is multilingual. She explained everything as much as she can. I cannot count anymore how many cheese I tasted during the tour. Happy cat face emoji, happy cat face emoji, happy cat face emoji. I took a video during shoemaking. Overall, this tour is recommended. Eve, the travel guide, was knowledgeable about the place and had to translate in 3 different languages, English, German and Spanish. I also want to commend the driver Rene, as he made sure we were safe and the bus was clean. Nice morning getaway from Amsterdam. Guide was great and informative on our journey there and back. Easy trip to the village and ample time to explore the village and see some windmills. It was a pleasant trip during our time in Amsterdam. Yolanda, our tour guide, explained well all about the history of the place, the windmills in Netherlands emoji, history. Feel free to use my code GROENBAJAM to save on your bookings here. White heart emoji, thumbs up emoji. A fun half-day away for the family for a quick tour of a cheese factory in the windmill village. Good for kids. Guide was knowledgeable and had many interesting and entertaining facts to keep everyone engaged. I like the fact that it only take you about 3 hours plus to enjoy the trip. You can see demonstration of wooden shoes and cheese making and sightseeing. Enjoyed the trip to Zaanse Schans Windmill Village. You will see some beautiful homes and windmills there. The meeting place was a bit hard to find. However, the whole trip was for the books. Love the scenery and everything about this trip. We'll recommend this. Also, we are lucky to have good weather. Thank you to our tour guide for her informative advice. It is a very good experience on this place. I have deep memory for my travel life. Hope to having another program to join Clog soon. The tour guide was great and humorous, but it turned out that the 3.5-hour trip included transportation. I felt that I didn't have enough time to visit the windmill village. I wish I could have 5 hours. The meetup location is easy to find. Tour group is quite a big group, so the bus was quite full. The places we visited are free, so this tour is paying mainly for the transportation. It's a good tour and you shouldn't miss it at all. Go for it. Value for money and time. Especially the cheese. Great experience. However, the windmills close at 3 p.m. You'll be exposed to the guide Eva's funny and sometimes sarcastic commentary. Easy to find meetup place, it's beside a cafe. The places visited are basically free, so it's more for the transportation. It's a beautiful place with very complete facilities. The tour guide is funny and humorous. I highly recommend that friends who come to Amsterdam must spend half a day to see it. Great tour and experience. Nice to see how wooden shoes were made. The best part of the tour is the cheese tasting and shopping. And the windmills. Definitely a must visit. Our guide Yolanda was great in taking care of us. Explained everything clearly. Would recommend this tour to others. A very comfortable place with beautiful scenery, delicious cheese and a variety of flavors. It will be even more charming if the weather is good. Follow the Clog group to Windmill Village, which is convenient and fast. After gathering at the meeting point at the designated time, a special bus will arrive directly. Must visit place in Netherlands. This is an absolute gem of a place that could be easily missed, and now I realize that Netherlands trip is incomplete without this experience.